What's up, buds? In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a thank you to you guys and all my subscribers, and I'm gonna do a quick little update of what's to come on the channel and where we're gonna go in the future, and also some things work related from my work, which it means for this channel. So I just want to give you guys an update on all of that. Alright, buds, so welcome to Wanna Buy, and on this channel we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews, and sometimes we'll throw the occasional gaming chair. If you're into any of that, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget the bell notification so you guys will be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing, and we'll get to some more of that later on in this video. Alright, but so first things first, let's talk about my new setup. It's the same setup, new location more than anything. I used to have a closet right next to me when I used to shoot the videos. That's why I used to have like a fairy tale throw blanket covering up the closet, but now we just moved on the other side of the room because we also have the window coming here and giving me some more light as well. But yeah, it's just the same setup, just new location. And now Iconic has her gaming area and her own monitor and desk on the other side of the room. All right, but so I just want to start with the thank yous and say thank you to all my subscribers. Me and Iconic were debating if I should do another 1,000 subscriber thank you now that we're at 2,000, even though I was kind of late because it's like 2,300. But we were debating like, oh, should you do another one? You just did one. And I really sat around and thought about it, like, that's 1,000 new people that supported this channel. That's a lot of people. So I think you guys deserve a thank you from me. So I'm gonna keep doing them every 1,000. So I hope you guys don't think it gets old, but you gotta think that there's 1,000 new people that joined our community that are supporting this channel, and they also should get a thank you for joining the community and supporting me. So I definitely want to say thank you to all the 1,000 new subscribers since I was at 1,000, and thank you to all the subscribers from 0 to 1,000. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you for supporting me, helping my channel grow, helping this community grow. Everyone's always nice in the comments. Everyone helps each other out when they can or they see something. I really like that. I want to keep it like that. We really don't have no negative comments in here. But yeah, I really like the community we're growing here. Everyone's very nice to me and to others. So I just want to say thank you so much to all of you, all 2,300 and something, whatever we're at right now. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. But yeah, but all you guys can follow me on Instagram if you want at WBI. Go ahead, hit me up on there, leave comments. You guys can DM me and I'll get to you guys as best as I can. If you guys have no one to talk to out there, I know some people, you know, are struggling out there. They have no one to talk to. They feel like they're alone. Go ahead, hit me up in my DMs. I talk to everyone. It's no problem. I'm not saying I'm a psychiatrist or a doctor or I could fix your problems, but if you need someone to talk to, buds, always know that you can go to my DM. You can go to Instagram and DM me at any time, and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. So always remember that, buds, for sure. So let's talk about the evolution of the channel, buds. It's been 1 year officially for me on YouTube. I started late August, September-ish time. So basically it's been 1 year. And when I started, we did a whole bunch of different tech, from air purifiers to laptop cooler fans to a whole bunch of stuff. We even had curtains and, you know, storage units on there. So fast forwarding into today, we are more in the tech audio space. With, you know, speakers, headphones, sound bars, and all that, which I really love. I have a real passion for music. I've always loved music. I used to make music for a few years, and, you know, studying EQ and how sound is supposed to sound like coming out of a speaker. I've always had a passion in that space. So being able to do this with audio products and stuff, it really makes me happy of testing stuff out. It never gets old when it comes to trying a new sound bar or trying this new version of speaker and see which one is louder. So that I really do have a passion for, so I like that the channel is going that way. All right, buzz, now with that being said, I've been messaged on Instagram by a couple of the subscribers saying, do some other reviews, you know, mix it up. You don't have to keep doing audio. Like, I liked your reviews when you did curtains. I liked it when you did the air filter. If you guys want me to do more variety of reviews, leave it in the comments below. If someone already commented, just leave a like on it so I know, and I'll definitely look into that. The only reason I kind of like strayed away is because when it comes to audio and and speakers and stuff, I feel like I could really help you guys because, like I said, from studying, you know, sound quality and knowing how sound is supposed to sound like coming out of something, I can help you guys. It's like, all right, this speaker has this, that, and it's something that you're looking for. Boom, perfect speaker for you. But when it comes to tablets, phones, different things, I really don't know much about it. So I feel like I can't help you guys. That's probably why I linked away from doing some of that other stuff. But if you guys want that, if you guys just want me to review it and what I realized from using it, I'll have no problem doing it at all. Just leave it in the comments below. But just know I won't be like Marquez and how he breaks down like something like, oh, this tablet has 64 hertz and memory and refresh rate of 144, and I won't be able to do that. So, but if you guys don't care, leave in the comments below. I'm definitely gonna be doing an unboxing of that PS5 when I get it though. So when it comes to the future of this channel going forward into the next year of videos, we are gonna be going heavy in the audio space like we have been. There's gonna be sound bars, headphones, earbuds, and portable speakers. I feel like they're different in their own way, but we will be leaning heavy on that. But we still will be throwing an occasional gaming chair in there. And we're gonna always be doing budget videos. I know it's hard and you see some of these items and then you're just like, oh, I can't wait to get that. That looks so cool. And you go look at the price and it's like $1,500 and you're like, well, never mind. Because of that, we're always gonna be doing budget stuff on this channel. I'm gonna make sure that that will never change about this channel. I've got a lot of comments. Finally, someone that's doing budget stuff that a normal person can afford. I've got a few of those comments already and I understand it for sure. Because with my regular job, I could barely afford the tech and I'm the tech guy. So that's why I reach out to companies and stuff. So I understand the pricing and it could get crazy when you want to buy tech. So we'll always keep budget on this channel. Now that being said about budget, we've reached out to some companies. Thank you to my subscribers. Because of you guys, I was able to reach out to companies and get responses back. We're gonna be in the non-budget friendly range on these products when they send it to us. We have a gaming chair company that sent us something. They also sponsor esports teams. So that chair is gonna be in like in the 500 range. And then we have an audio company that has these new speakers that came out that are really nice and they're super expensive. I think they're in like the $2,000 range. But that being said, I'm always gonna have more budget friendly than non-budget friendly on this channel. And even if I get something expensive, I'm gonna ask the company like, do you have any budget options as well? So I can try to get both products. So if I do a video on this expensive thing, but also here's their budget, option. And if they don't have one, then I will look for a budget option and do a video, a couple of days or a couple of videos after that. So there will always be budget options on this channel. So it's just nice to have those big companies on our channel. So when we reach out to companies and stuff and I'm just like, hey, we worked with so-and-so, so-and-so, and so-and-so. They're pretty big in the space. It'll be easier to get more products in here. And we could be a more demanding channel to get some more tech on this on here. Moral of the story, it's gonna stay budget. We won't be having all expensive things that no one could afford in real life. All right, bud, so another news for this channel is my job gets crazy around this time. It's election time and my job is really hard and it takes forever to finish during election time. And then we go into Christmas. So our two hardest periods back to back in this year. But I'm gonna try to make sure I keep videos posted and coming as well. As like last year going into December, my channel slowed down. If you go back and look at, in that December range, my videos start to slow down a little bit. I'm gonna try to be better this year. But I just want to give you guys a head up that election time and Christmas time are horrible for my job. I'm just like so busy and I get to work at like 6 o'clock in the morning and I don't come back till sometimes like 10 o'clock at night. So I'm definitely gonna try to be more consistent this year when I do have days off, because I'll be able to test all these products while I'm working. But when I have days off, I gotta make sure I can pump out like 3 or 4 videos. My sister's gonna be editing for me now. So that should definitely help me out during this rush of, political season and Christmas season. So definitely just want to give you guys a heads up about the chaos that I'm about to go through. All right, but so that's basically everything. I just want to give you guys a little overview of what's coming and all that with my job and as well as where the channel's going in the future. But I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers, all 2,300 plus of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for helping it grow. And because of you guys, companies are emailing me back and starting to pay attention to me. So I just want to say thank you for that. Hopefully we can get more companies, send in more products, so I can keep you guys entertained with newer products instead of having to buy cheaper, older products, you know, to keep the channel going. So I'm definitely gonna keep reaching out to them for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, buds. Whatever it is, be safe out there. Peace.